Rikon Power Tools 10310 10-inch bandsaw review. Cast iron precision for small shops. Ever feel stuck wrestling with a bandsaw that just will not track straight? I remember standing in my garage, staring at a warped cut and wondering if it was me or the machine. That frustration adds up fast. It's exhausting. If you have felt that too, you are not alone. What's been your biggest bandsaw struggle lately? Missed layout lines turn into wasted boards, and wasted boards turn into late nights. The hum of a struggling motor, the faint smell of overheated wood, the grit of sawdust everywhere, it wears on you. A friend once delayed a small furniture order because his saw kept drifting. That kind of quiet burnout is real, and it sneaks up on you. That is where the Rikon Power Tools 10310 10-inch bandsaw changes the conversation for small shops. Don't just pick any 10-inch bandsaw. Make sure it has quick-release blade tension so you avoid slow, frustrating blade changes that kill momentum. The 1/3 horsepower TEFC motor delivers a steady 2,625 feet per minute blade speed for smooth, controlled cuts. The machined cast iron table stays flat and stable, reducing vibration and improving accuracy. With 4 5/8 inches of resaw capacity and nearly 10 inches of cutting width, it handles most hobby and furniture parts with confidence. Toolless, spring-loaded blade guides mean no Allen wrench scrambling mid-project. The large tension hand wheel allows precise adjustment, and balanced cast aluminum wheels keep operations smooth. A busy cabinet maker I know nearly missed a deadline on maple drawer fronts, then swapped blades in under a minute and finished calmly. That reset mattered. It also connects easily to a shop vac through the 2 1/2-inch dust port, keeping your workspace clearer. Small upgrade, big workflow shift. Wait until you hear one overlooked setup tip. Once dialed in, the Rikon Power Tools 10310 10-inch bandsaw creates a noticeably smoother workflow. Cuts feel controlled, not forced, and the welded steel frame stays rigid under load. A Highland woodworking specialist called the quick-release lever a significant improvement, especially in a reasonably priced 10-inch bandsaw. An Acme Tools product expert highlights the toolless blade guides and cast iron table as features that simplify setup while improving precision. Even 731 Woodworks noted the balanced cast aluminum wheels and compact footprint as ideal for small shops needing stability without bulk. One small shop owner told me blade changes used to take 10 minutes. Now it's about 1. That time adds up over a week. I have also noticed the fence locks down securely for repeatable straight cuts, which builds real confidence. Worried the 1/3 horsepower motor might be underpowered? For hobby projects, light resawing, and furniture parts, it is well matched to the saw's capacity. No drama, just control. See why so many professionals refuse to work without it now. Would smoother blade changes improve your workflow? If you want cleaner cuts, faster blade swaps, and a stable cast iron work surface, the Rikon Power Tools 10310 10-inch bandsaw delivers where it counts. It is compact enough for small shops, yet capable enough for serious hobby and furniture work. Join the many creators already seeing consistent workflow improvements, though results may vary based on setup and blade choice. Ready for an upgrade? Click the link below and experience the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.